Hey folks, today we're going to be checking out an optic here from TechHunters. Now, I've not heard of TechHunters before. I think they're maybe a relatively new brand, but we want to check out this optic here. Set that aside. What we have here is a 3 to 12 by 44 scope. This is first focal plane. This scope is coming in under $100. There are some nice features on this scope for the price point. So we'll start at the back here. You do have flip up cover. Underneath this cover, you have your fast focus, and that is pretty smooth. Move up here, you have your magnification. Now you do have a little removable throw lever, so if you want to take that off, the actual dial is knurled, so you can get a decent grip on there. But if you like the throw lever, which I do, it's small enough not to get hung up on things, but still real positive. That is fairly smooth. Not too stiff, just the right amount of resistance, and going from 3 to 12. Up here we have 30mm tube. Now, we'll mention this does not come with scope rings, so you are going to have to purchase scope rings separately. So 30mm tube, you can get them from TechHunters. They sell scope rings as well, or you can, use your favorite brand. I opted to go ahead and use the TechHunters scope rings. I ordered up a set. They should be here tomorrow. I just wanted to test out their rings as well, as the scope appears to be fairly well made. Now, you do have your windage and elevation here. These are lockable turrets. You do have a flathead screw on top. They came tightened all the way down, so you could not turn it. Loosen them up, they pull up, you can make adjustments. The clicks are nice and positive and tactile on both the windage and the elevation. Don't know if you can catch that sound on camera, but it is very positive. Also, these are removable. You take that screw all the way out, you can remove the turret. Once you have it zeroed, you can line your zero on the turret cover with your zero mark back here, and then go ahead and lock it down. So that's a nice feature. No zero stop on these, but the lockable turrets is a nice touch. Now over here, this surprised me on a scope of this price point. You do have parallax adjustment, and that's going to start out at 25 yards and go up to infinity. And the control on that is nice and smooth. That's a really nice feature on an optic at this price point. You also have illuminated reticle, but this is an illuminated reticle battery compartment right here. We'll get that fired up in a minute. We're going to take a look at the glass here in just a minute. Some really nice features on here. The throw lever is nice. The parallax adjustment, the clicks are real positive. Moving up front here, your 44mm objective lens. You do have another lens cover here. They seem to fit okay. The glass is recessed. You got a little bit of a hood there, and it is threaded. So if you have a sunshade, you can actually thread that onto there, it looks like. So that's a nice feature. Did not come with one, but that is a possibility. I haven't looked to see if TechHunter sells one of those or not, but that's always nice if you want to extend that out. Now, the lenses on this are multi-coated lenses, and I've looked through it just briefly. The glass looks really nice and crisp on these. I thought maybe at this price point they would kind of put some lower end glass in here, and it appears they have not. The glass actually is surprisingly clear. I have not fired up the illuminated reticle. We'll do that in just a second, but just kind of casually glancing out the window with it, the glass is very nice in this. This is IPX7 waterproof, and also it is shock rated for 1000 G, so it should be fairly durable. All in all, it looks well constructed. It's coming in about 13 inches overall length and weighing about 24 ounces. Seems like a solid little optic. We're going to have to get this on something, take it out and test it. But for the purpose today, just doing a little overview, and then we'll get it out to the range. So everything you get in the box, I'll show here. This is everything that comes in the box with the TechHunters 3 to 12 by 44 optic. So you're going to get your optic itself with some lens caps. You're going to get a battery. This is CR2032. You're going to get a cleaning cloth, and you're going to get a user's manual, which appears to be fairly thorough. Okay, so that's what you get in the box. We're going to go ahead and take a look through the glass now. All right, so looking here through the glass, this is at 75 yards away, and we're on 3 power. You can see the glass is very clear. We're going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit here. That is 6 power there. We'll go ahead and keep going up. And that is 12 power. All right, folks, so wrapping up on the TechHunters 3 to 12 by 44, seems like a nice little budget optic, coming in at a great price point with some great features on it. So if you're looking for a little hunting scope, a little bit longer range target shooting, I'm going to end up putting this on a rimfire and just plinking away with it. That's probably where this is going to go, but multi-use scope, little hunting, little range, plinking, whatever. So it seems like a really good offering here from TechHunters. I appreciate y'all watching. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time.